Welcome to No Nonsense Travel Tips. In this video, I will show you how you can add an additional guest name to your existing Booking.com reservation. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Booking.com from your computer, you will see your upcoming trip here on the main page. Otherwise, you can always click on your profile image on the top right section and then choose bookings and trips. And you will see your upcoming stays at the top and your past stays at the bottom. Let's assume we want to add a guest name to my existing future booking. Click on that booking. That will open up the reservation details page. And as you scroll down, you will see this section, your room details. And the first option here is a guest name. And then opposite the guest name, you will see this edit guest name. Click on the edit guest name option. And now if you want to enter multiple names to the reservation, all you need to do is just separate them out with a comma. So let's say I have David name here and I want to add John and Kate to the reservation. You can just keep typing as many names as you want, separated by comma. Once you're all done, click on save, and that is all you need to do. Now the guest name has been updated on this reservation to these three names which are separated out by a comma. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.